In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add a contact to your Klaviyo account. This process is essential for keeping your audience list updated and accurate, which is a critical part of managing your email marketing effectively. So let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through each step. First, you'll want to start by accessing the Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Audience section and select Lists and Segments. This is where all your audience data is organized. If you're new to Klaviyo or have recently set up your account, it's possible you might not have any lists yet. Don't worry, you can create a new list if needed. Simply follow the prompts to set one up if necessary. Assuming you already have a list in place, the next step is to choose the specific list you want to add your new contact to. This decision is important, especially if you have multiple lists for different purposes or demographics. Click on your chosen list to dive into its settings and contents. While you're in the list view, keep an eye out for the Manage List option. This is where you'll find the Quick Add feature, which is our focus for today. Selecting Quick Add will open up the necessary form to input your contact information. Now, you'll see the Quick Add form, a simple yet powerful tool in Klaviyo for manual data entry. The first and most crucial field you'll need to fill in is the contact's email address. This is a mandatory field for any entry, as it serves as the primary identifier for everyone on your list. Alongside the email address, you have the option to include additional information, such as the first name, last name, and any custom properties that you might have set up in your account.